Now, once your table has been prepared, I will just show you two formulas over here as how to apply a total and how to apply the percentage, because when I will be checking the hands-on, I will be checking whether you have applied the formula or not. So first, as the table is already prepared over here, you are able to see the table is already shown in the slide also. So this particular table contains two columns which are blank. One is total, the other is percentage. So kids, now I'll show you how to apply a total formula over here. So as you are able to see over here, first I require to select the cell where I require the total formula. So this cell is H3. From here you are able to identify this as H and this is 3. So first I'll select H3. After selecting H3, you are very much aware that all the formulas for the Google Sheets are there in the functions. So when I click on the functions, I get the first function, that is nothing but sum over here. Select the sum and then select all the marks of maths, science, social studies, English and Hindi of a student named Abdul and press enter. When you press enter, you will be getting a suggestion that is auto fill. Just click on it and all your total will be coming one more time. If you are not able to get it, I will reiterate the operation one more time for all of you, my dear kids. So as you are able to see over here, I will be selecting the cell first where I require the formula to be put in. So this is the cell where I require the sum of a student named Abdul. Total should be displayed over here. So in order to get the display or in order to get the total, select the function, go for sum and then select the marks of all the subject, that is maths, science, social studies, English and Hindi, and press enter. After pressing enter, Google Sheet automatically shows us autofill where all the formulas will be automatically dragged over there. So you are able to see over here sum C3 to G3. This is the formula, sum C3 to G3, and over here C4 to G4, and over here C5 to G5. Yes, so all the formulas are correct and I'm getting the total over here. Now, after getting the total, I will be showing you how to apply the percentage part over here. Percentage, it is very, very simple, my dear kids. You remember in grade 7, we have already learned that in order to insert a formula, the first sign that I require to insert, my dear kids, is equal to. So I'm putting equal to and I'm opening a bracket. Now, percentage is calculated total divided by the total of all the subjects. So each and every subjects are of 100 marks. So total, your total is this particular part. So I will be just selecting this, or else you just write H3. Where your total is there, you have to write H3 or you have to write the cell over there. So my total is in H3. So I will be typing H3 divided by 500. Press enter. You will be getting 0.368. And at the top, you will be able to see format as percent. So just click on it. You will be able to see that total of Abdul is 63.8 and then drag it down. When you drag it down, automatically you will be able to get the students' percentage over there. One more time, reiterating the operation. First, in order to get the percentage, we will be putting a sign, that is equal to sign. After putting equal to sign, open bracket. After opening the bracket, select the cell where your total is there. So my total for Abdul is there in H3. I'll just select H3 with the help of a mouse. Click. Then divide by. It is nothing but a front slash. Which number? 500. Why, my dear kids? Because 500 is the total of all the subjects. That is maths of 100 marks, science of 100 marks, social studies 100 marks. Since there are 5 subjects, so the total will be 500. Done. Now, in order to convert this thing into percentage, at the top you will be able to see currency, and then just below format you will be able to see format as percent. Click on it. It will be converted to percentage. Drag it down. So your table is prepared now, and we will format this particular table in the coming parts of the presentation, my dear kids.